What is going on YouTube? Up Next Crypto, Danny here, back again with another video for you guys. And today we are looking at Just Liquidity and JuleSwap, the platforms that go hand in hand and make for an easy decentralized way for you guys to access all of your cryptos. Now, I'm going to pull up the platform for you guys here because it's really important to see the different tokens that they have, their tokenomics, and some of the prices that they have, which it's incredible the way that you guys have mooned so far. There's going to be so much more mooning coming for these guys, so definitely let's hop into the platform, take a look at what these guys are doing. Another swapping platform for you guys. You know how big the swapping platforms have become in the recent times, so it's important for us to look at all the ones that are out right now and they're performing well, and this is definitely one of them right here, with the exchange showing that JuleSwap is a fully decentralized and powered community by the community governance, which is amazing. So a platform actually backed by the community. Now the app and the extension gives you the one-stop wallet for storing, swapping, bridging, and buying tokens. As you guys can see, they have a beautiful app. Learn more about it by clicking right here. It'll take you over to the application where you can actually install it for your Apple device, your Google Play Store, or Android. It is integrated with the different networks, including the BSC, obviously, and that's really important because we've seen how crazy the Binance Smart Chain has become. Obviously a few different ones as well, ERC20, and the features are, one, it is easy to install for the Jule wallet, so you can actually have the software on your PC or your Mac and just add it to your browser as an extension with one click, ready to use. They've got the smart chains, so you can convert up to 0.0 ETH into BNB on the Binance Smart Chain to cover your transaction fees. And then they've got the Ethereum to ETHB, and they've got the MetaMask connection available for you as well. Binance 100 million accelerator fund is definitely one of the things that came out, which was really important for these guys, and having them as an investor to push this platform to the next level. And that's actually the JuleSwap platform. As you guys can see, JuleSwap is a beautiful platform, tons of charts, basically the Uniswap of the modern day and age, guys. It's a very nice platform. You connect your wallet right here at the top of the screen, clicking MetaMask. Boom, it's going to ask you to connect your wallet right here. Got to make sure you're on the BSC network, and then there you go, you are connected, you are up and running. Very nice. And you can see the different tokens and protocol pairs. So this one is the Jule B, Jule D pair, so don't forget, those are the two native tokens of the platform. And look at the freaking liquidity, man. 21% up on the day, $16.1 million total liquidity, volume at $500,000. Very interesting numbers. The pooled tokens, as you guys can see, are right there as well. But going back to the Just Liquidity platform, before we go any further on JuleSwap, they've got the virtual and physical debit cards. This is really important, so if you guys want to actually pick one of these things up, definitely check this platform out, where you can actually spend crypto anywhere, anytime, any card, anything you want, and you can load your Just Liquidity branded contactless Visa card with cryptos. So the Jule card will actually let you shop at over 60 million merchants worldwide, both online and in store, and earn up to 3% in crypto rewards, and use Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay, virtual crypto debit card pay, whatever sort of pay you guys want to do. It is coming soon. That's really lit, that's really live. And having that earning 3% in crypto rewards lets you have Jule D rewards every time you spend money on your Jule card, and then stake the Jule and Jule D to get access to the Jule card you need to actually make some money and profits and passive income off the staking features. Partnerships with some of the biggest guys in the industry, Twitter, Telegram, all the goodies at the bottom of the screen as well. They've got two different Twitter accounts. As you can see, this is the Just Liquidity Twitter, over 150,000 members in there, which is lit, which is popping. And it says thank you for the great opportunity for Binance for this huge partnership, which is the 100 million accelerator fund that supports 5 or more projects, and they are one of them. As you guys can see, Just Liquidity right at the top, on top of Gitcoin, Bounce, DeFi Station, and Parsec, which is a huge move for these guys, man. And moving on, they are looking at the staking feature for you guys to earn in real time, earn some cryptos, earn some extra passive income. The private transactions on the Binance Smart Chain obviously being one of the features, and you can click on here to learn more about how Just Liquidity works privately, where you deposit, you wait, and you withdraw. And all of this happens as the user generates a random key and deposits BNB or BEP20 token, along with submitting a hash of the note to the Just Liquidity private smart contract. You wait after depositing. Users should wait some amount of time before actually withdrawing there to improve their privacy, and then withdraw. So in that step, the user actually submits a proof of having a valid key, and one of the notes deposited of the contract transfers BNB or BEP20 token to a specific recipient, and it is easy as that. And also, Just Liquidity Private improves transaction privacy by breaking the on-chain link between source and destination addresses, which is something we haven't really seen done before in the industry. Now, the status of Just Liquidity private decentralization is fully decentralized and owned by the community, for the community, by the community. That is the flex, and that is what we always try to go by, which is insane. Now, here is the different tokenomics of the Jewel B and the Jewel D. The total supplies, as you guys can see, 1 million versus 800 million, and the price at currently Jewel B 153 and Jewel D at 20 cents, which is incredible, man. These guys are doing some huge things. The use cases, they have a few different use cases, both made for staking, both made for IDO participation. Jewel Swap governance, which is the upcoming events, and the fee participation upcoming as well. Those are for the Jewel B exclusively, and then the limit orders fee participation, again, for both of the tokens, and debit card staking allows both tokens as well. The bridge, obviously you can request a bridge now, and token bridge. All the information can be found here. Here's the token bridges for these pairs. They've got a short little video right here that explains the token bridge, so if you guys want to watch that, get into it. If you don't understand the token bridge flex, that is there for you as well. Now, the actual Jewel Swap platform, the overview, this is how the beautiful platform is outlined. Like I showed you guys, connect your wallet at the top so you can get it popping, get it going. You've got the quick swap button right here where you can go over and look at the tokens. The pools are there as well. You can add liquidity on the pools. You can go over to BNB. You can go over to Jewel B, Jewel D. As you guys can see, Jewel B, Jewel D. Select Jewel B, select BNB. Put in 1,000 Jewel B would be 600. Whoa, that is an expensive freaking token. So 1 Jewel B is actually equivalent to 0.63 BNB. That is lit, that is popping. If you guys want to add liquidity, go over to the pool and do so. If you go on Swap, you'll be taken over to the swapping platform, obviously, which is kind of the same idea as Uniswap, PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, all the swaps. You can add liquidity from there here as well, and then you can go to the staking, and this is where you're going to go and see some of the craziness packages here at over 330%, 310%. Now, these are the different pairs that you can actually look into. If you want to do Jewel BBUSD, you're looking at an APR of 346%, which is insane. You can approve the staking by having that in your wallet, and you can go from there. And as you guys can see, man, these are the smaller packages right here, obviously with the smaller rates. These ones, the APRs is just going down, but if you want the highest APR, it's right at the top of the screen, and that's where you want to be. Now, you've got the beta DEX as well, if it's something that you may be interested in. So go ahead and check out the beta DEX, fully decentralized, fully beautiful. And here are the charts. Here's the order book, very, very nicely outlaid and outlined. This platform just has a beautiful user end experience. They've got the staking tab, so you can access it from there as well. The tokens tab will show you the top tokens on the market. As you guys can see, it is lit, it is popping. You can see the prices, you can see the price changes in the last 24 hours and all the goodies. Going back to the pairs, obviously you can look at all the pairs. You got the Jewel B and Jewel D and all the different pairs with Jewel B, and then you got the accounts tab as well, where you're going to be able to see the top liquidity positions with over $15 million in the Jewel B, Jewel D liquidity, which is insanity. And then you got the Jewel B BNB as well, and fully transparent, so you don't have to worry about that at all. The volume rank, again, more information can be found here under the top volume positions. This is going to take some time to load. The launch pad, beautiful launch pad here as well. This one's actually closed, the status of it, which was the stays base. You've got active, pending, and closed ones as well, which is the one right there. Their governance, more information on the governance, the tokenomic fees, Jewel B, Jewel D, blocking temporary with higher percent. So all the news that you guys really need with the date and everything like that is right here. They've got their forum as well if you guys do want to look into that. And this is where you're going to have a lot of your questions answered, not receiving Joolbee NFT, so on and so forth. All the information right here with the community backing it. And the community backing it is the most important thing ever. Documentation, if you want all the goodies, all the information, FAQs, all of that can be found on the JewelSwap platform as well. And they just got a beautiful platform, man. Huge shout out to the JewelSwap platform. Huge shout out to Joolbee. Huge shout out to JewelD. Huge shout out to Just Liquidity. And huge shout out to my boy, to my man, the myth, the legend, Frankie. Frankie's been killing the game, so huge shout out to him too. And I really hope you boys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below what you think about JewelSwap and all these other swapping platforms that are coming out in 2021 and going into 2022. We're gonna have a lot of new platforms coming out as well, so leave a comment down below what you think about the platforms this year, and subscribe to the channel if you're not, man. Smash the like button, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Danny's out for now. Peace.